My name is Muhammad Denji Salim Islam. So today I would like to say about the proverb called "Every man has his price." So basically, every man has his price is saying that suggest everyone can be bought or influenced to act against their principles or offer enough compensation of incentive. So for example, imagine a respect journalist known for their integrity and commitment to the truth. They have always refused to write a biased article. However, a wealthy corporate offered them a huge sum of money to write a favorable piece about their controversial product. Despite their principle, the journalist eventually agrees to write the article about the money, for the money. So basically, this scenario, the phrases "every man has his price" is illustrated by the journalist itself. To the end of this, I would like to say to all the men here, there is to be to all the men out there, to be the man who has his own price with others, but not with their parents. We must be polite with our parents. We should not give our prize to our parents. Yeah, that's all from me. Thank you.